Hi, this is Jenny from 21 Songs in 6 Days, and I'm here to teach you Arirang in honor of the Asian Lunar New Year, which happens around this time of year. This song is in our new book called Ukulele for All. This book is available on Amazon. It's also available at music stores or anywhere else you can get music, or from the publisher, which is KJOS, Joe's Publishing. You can order it from them. In this song, you use 4 chords: a C, an A minor, an F, and a G7. The strumming pattern is simple. It's all downs, down, 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 with 3 strums per measure. There's also a part in the middle where you get to play the melody, and for that I go up and put my 3rd finger on the 7th fret, my 1st finger's on the 5th fret, and I'm able to play the whole melody up there. And this is called tab, and the tab is also available, but you'd have to purchase the book to get that. So I hope you enjoy the song, and thanks so much. Arirang, Arirang, Arirang. Over Arirang Pass I long to go. Walking quickly, the streams love to flow. Rain falls softly and flowers grow. Arirang, 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 go gai ro, meow meow ganda. Na ryo meow ri go ga si yum ni me wan. Si mi do na sa ga so. And if you enjoyed that, please like this video on YouTube. You can also go to Facebook and like us there. You can go to Amazon, where we're under 21 Songs in 6 Days, or you could go to our YouTube site, Ukuleleo. The book is available at Amazon. It's also available through music publishers and through music stores. The book's been published by Joe's Publishing. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much.